fastest way to make $1,000 using TikTok ads. My name is Lyndon, and I help scale e-com brands to multi-seven-figure numbers. First, what you're going to need is a halfway decent product, 6 different ad creatives. Please put effort into these. A simple converting Shopify store. Within that Shopify store, high quality product images, at least 20 plus reviews per product, and free shipping as one of the rates. Watch the rest of this video, copying my strategies, and send me your results. Now let's build this ad setup. You're going to be making one campaign targeting conversions only. So go ahead and select conversions, name it, and don't touch any other settings below that. Now on the ad set level, you're going to want to name your ad set, select your pixel, and then target for the event of complete payment. We only want purchases. For placements, you're only going to want to target for TikTok. For the creative type, we're going to be running ACO for this test. For targeting, we're going to be doing custom, no interest, we're leaving it completely open. The only thing we'll be adjusting is the age group. I always like to select the minimum age group of 18 and up. The age group between 13 and 17 will bring you a lot of views and added cards, but will rarely convert well. For your budget, I would highly recommend running $100 a day minimum. You'll have a lot of spending issues with anything under $100, but sometimes 50 will like to work a little bit. But if 50 does not work for you, I'd suggest highly running $100 a day. You're going to want to schedule your ad for the next day at midnight. Optimization goal of conversions, but if you have value available, target for value. We will be running lowest cost and not cost cap. On the creative level, you will want to upload 3 creatives and 5 lines of copy. Yes, there will be 3 creatives in one ad set. Now run this for at least $100 in spend before you even look at your ads again. If you got 0 sales over that $100 in spend, you're going to want to go into the creative level, take out the 3 creatives you used and rotate in the other 3 creatives you have. Wait for another $100 in spend to test out those creatives, and if you still got 0 sales, your product either sucks or you have very bad ad creatives. Now, if you got 2 to 3 sales or even more, you're not going to want to touch that ad at all. You're going to want to keep it running. As you keep it running, you're going to want to get more budget to that ad set without directly increasing the budget. Directly increase the budget will risk that winning ad set, and I'll talk more about that later. You will want to make duplicates of that ad set in the ways of duplicating and adding in new creatives, duplicating and adding in interests, duplicating that exact ad set and increasing the budget, let's say maybe 100 to 150 with no other changes made. With this setup, you should be making at least $1,000 in the first week and also have all your ads out of the learning phase. That means you guys are then ready to scale, which I will go over in a later video. Make sure you leave any questions down below and DM me on IG for free help.